Did you just switch to an Android phone and discover that your entire Google Maps timeline is empty? Don't panic. And most importantly, don't erase your old phone just yet. Google Maps timeline now relies more heavily on device-based storage. And if you've enabled timeline backup, you may be able to restore your history using Google's encrypted backup feature. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your old phone, enable timeline backup if needed, safely import it to your new Android device, and even verify everything before you factory reset or trade in your old phone. Let's get started. So firstly, to check is surprisingly simple. Just open Google Maps on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture in the upper right corner. Make sure you're signed in with the exact same Google account that was used on your previous phone. Many timeline problems happen simply because the wrong account is active. If you have multiple Google accounts on your phone, double-check before moving to the next step. Once you've confirmed the correct account, we'll verify that your timeline still exists on the old device. Now pick up your old Android phone. Then open Google Maps. Tap your profile picture. Then select your timeline. Browse through a few dates and make sure your trips and visited places are still there. If everything looks normal, that's great news. Your timeline data still exists on the old device. Do not sign out of your Google account, do not factory reset the phone, or do not trade it in yet. First, let's make sure it's backed up. While you're still inside timeline on the old phone, look for the cloud or backup icon and tap it. If timeline backup is enabled, turn it on. Google stores an encrypted copy of your timeline backup on its servers. That means the backup is protected during storage. However, keep in mind that backup isn't always instant. Recent timeline edits or newly recorded trips may take several days before they appear in the available backup. So if you just finished a trip yesterday, do not be surprised if it hasn't included yet. One backup is enabled or already complete, you're ready to import it into the new phone. Now return to your new Android phone. Open Google Maps. Tap your profile picture. Then choose your timeline. Next, tap on the cloud backup icon and you should see a list of available backups. Select the backup created from your old phone and tap More. Choose Import, then confirm Import timeline from backup. Google will begin restoring the timeline stored in that encrypted backup, and depending on the amount of history, the process may take some time. Be patient and allow the import to finish completely before making any changes to your old device. After the import finishes, do not just check today timeline. Scroll back several months and open different dates. Look at older trips and visits and make sure everything is important appears correctly. One after you've confirmed that your timeline has been restored, you should consider factory resetting, selling or trading in your old phone. Keeping the old device until you verify the import gives you a safety net if something didn't transfer correctly. Now, if your timeline still isn't complete, there are several possible explanations. The latest timeline backup may not have finished uploading yet. Timeline could have been disabled before switching phones, or you may accidentally be signed into a different Google account. Also check automatic deletion settings because they may have removed older history, or edits made on device may not automatically appear on the other device. Remember that the timeline synchronization is different from traditional cloud syncing, so changes don't always appear instantly across devices. If this tutorial helped you out, recover your timeline, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Android and Google Maps tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.